The Luminesce collection offers state-of-the-art skincare development, including the flagship product, Cellular Rejuvenation Serum. Created with breakthrough adult stem cell technology, this serum works quickly to recapture the youthful appearance by minimizing fine lines and wrinkles while smoothing and firming the skin.
Once you put it on, not only you see improvement, everybody else comments that you look good. You're going to reduce fine lines and wrinkles.
We know that Luminesce is working. I prove it with my dermoscope, and I'm very convinced the stem cell technology in the Luminesce is so safe. It is natural, it is a serum. Aging is something that you cannot stop, but you can postpone it.
All natural and with no side effects, the results from using this serum found within the Luminesce collection have been startling.
People coming to me say, you know, Kim, what happened to you? Did you get something done and your face is glowing? Your complexion seems brighter.
I have seen such an improvement on my skin, and my friends and my family notice it, and that's pretty amazing.
It's unbelievable. Within 3 to 4 days, people notice already the difference.
What really surprised me about Luminesce is how fast one can notice the changes on their skin.